Hey guys, once again we did part 1 of unboxing these squishies.
Yeah, and now
We're gonna do a section of just Neatos, part 2.
Yeah, we're doing a part 2. We're gonna organize it real quick, like Neatos, slow rising dumplings, like all of that.
Yeah, so
let's
be right back.
So as you know, we just organized all of it. We have like sections. We have like sugars. We have random. We have slow rising and dumplings and Neatos.
Yes, so this section we're gonna be doing random squishies.
Yeah, we're thinking of doing the random squishies and sugar textures, but we'll see if we can do it in the video.
Yeah, so let's do that. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna unbox the first thing and he's gonna grab his item.
Yeah, are we starting with randoms? Ooh, I'm excited we got this one.
Okay, so he'll show his first.
The marshmallow. And it's actually scented.
It actually smells good. Okay, I got this cheese squeezes just like the jumbo, but it's the mini one, so.
Can I feel that?
Oh my, yes.
This feels so nice.
Yeah, I love that. Okay, we're gonna go with the next one because we don't have a lot of time. Okay, so I'm gonna show mine first and he'll show yours.
Yeah.
Okay, we got this duck one.
Ooh, can I feel that?
Oh yes, it's like a Pluto thing. Pretty good.
Like a watery film. That's nice.
Yeah, and then the next thing was these little tabas, but we're not gonna take them out the case. Okay.
Next, I got this. It's kind of like an off-brand Neato. It feels like a Ripple ball. That one's nice. And then an off-brand peanut. It's not cracky, but it's still nice. I like the watery films are nice.
It's still really nice, but yeah, there's 2 more we're gonna do. We're just gonna not pause it. We're just gonna do it real quick.
Yeah.
They're 2 kind of slow rice. His has the blue ice cream, and then I have like a caramel macchiato. I think we have time to do the sugar ones, so let's do that.
Caramel macchiato.
Okay, he'll do those 2, and I'm gonna do this one because this looks like really cool. One second. He can show his first.
So we got this sugar jellyfish.
Really good.
And then we got the sugar baby.
It's also really good.
Yeah.
Next, I'm going to be unboxing this one. We got it. I'm surprised we laid our hands on it. Okay, let's unbox it. Yeah, it's the toothpaste. Let's open it. We don't have enough time. 1 second. It smells like blue raspberry, and it's really good. Yeah, but thanks for watching. Bye. See you guys in the next video.